Right, we're at Christmas market number 2, right next to the Parliament building. This is like the Parliament Quarter or whatever it's called. And here we go. Not looking forward to this one. Hundreds of people.
There's another entrance.
This is why we had to come here. So first stop, of course, Blue Vine stop. It's hot. Right, time to eat. We're having a couple of knobschliffers. Thank you. Now that's a knobschliffer. Right, so that's a knobschliffer. It's one of those, I think the knob bit is the sausage filled with cheese and the schliffer is on the outside. Let's give it a go. Alright, it's like a
Corn dog.
Like a corn dog with a sausage inside, like a crispy donut, I think. Yeah, good. I'm pretty sure it's called a knobschliffer. That's what I asked for anyway, 2 knobschliffers. Yeah, it works. Recommend this. Right, it's cathedral's lit up now. Look at that. Puts Big Ben to shame, that. I'm getting tired. It's Glühwein time again. This is what makes Christmas fairs come bearable. Oh yeah. So as a little tip for you, if you come to the Vienna markets, these cups are a lot bigger than you get in the German markets, and when you get them they fill them right up, not way past the line. So when you order them with an extra shot of rum as well, and 3 of these, you're pissed. It's simple as that. So get that, the missus can go and do her thing, you can sit here drinking Glühwein. Happy days. There you go, that's Christmas market number 2. Join us tomorrow for number 3 and 4. Fantastic.